Elise Finch is here for Lonnie Quinn with our forecast. It is the day before Christmas Eve, and that is when a man in red gets ready to pack up his sleigh. And I know she's going to be keeping track of him a little bit later tomorrow.
Yeah, we do that tomorrow with the NORAD Santa tracker, so we will be following that. Hopefully, though, by 11 o'clock, I'm always like, aren't the kids in bed by now?
No, they're too excited.
Is that what it is? Yeah, well, that makes sense. I can see that. I do remember that. Well, I have to tell you, over this weekend, we said hello to winter, but it definitely felt more like spring out there with the temperatures, record temperatures at that, but this should help to get you in the mood. The Empire State Building, red, white, and green, that's right, and they do this beautiful light show at 7 p.m., so you'll have a chance to check that out if you, well, take a look at it. Overcast right now, 52 degrees. The winds are out of the northwest at 7 miles an hour. Now, that's significant because we have had a really warm southerly flow for the past couple of days, so it gave us a record 65 degrees on Saturday, 71 degrees yesterday, and 64 degrees today. So if you were moving around, it may not have felt like it, but yeah, it was incredibly warm out there. 64, we hit that very early in the day. Now, the warm air is leaving town. We have not one but two cold fronts that will move through, so a reinforcing shot of cold air. A big plunge in temperatures are on the way. And does this mean a white Christmas? Well, we'll be very, very close, potentially, in some areas. I mentioned the very warm temperature, 64 degrees. That will go down as the official high for today, even though we hit that at 1 o'clock in the morning. It's a full 23 degrees above the average that we consider normal, only 2 degrees shy of the record that was set back in 1990, 66. So we were very, very close to a record. We're hitting our low temperature so far right now at 52. We'll have to adjust that as the night goes on because the temperatures will continue to fall. As we take a look at temperatures around the area, already 36 in Monticello, 46 for Sparta, and 48 degrees in Greenwich. So we do have some temperatures that are already starting to fall out there, still relatively mild, and for a number of locations, still right now above where they should be for as a high on the day. So we're still mild. We're still looking at this rain. You can see now, and we've got some scattered showers out there. A lot of it has been relatively light. We had a few pockets of some moderate rain earlier in the day, but take a look at what happens. So we're starting to see that rain here, but it is, again, all moving offshore in connection with this cold front. So we had a surge of warm air in advance of the front, that southerly wind. Now the winds have shifted. Now we'll watch this front move through. We'll also have a secondary front move through, and behind both, cold air starts to move in, and you will feel it as early as tonight. So here's how the FutureCast sees things. We go throughout tonight, and we say goodbye to the rain. So by tomorrow morning, if you're heading out to work or to do some shopping, wherever you're going, you should have dry conditions for your Tuesday morning. As we head throughout Tuesday afternoon, we'll have a chance to, we'll see some snow showers, because what happens is the rain moves in, the rain moves out, the cold air moves in. We get a little bit of moisture, so good enough for some snow showers. For many, it's really just flurries, if you even see that. And we don't get the flurries on Christmas Day itself. We'll get just a little bit of cloud cover eventually. So how much snowfall are we going to see? Well, really just a dusting, so not enough for a white Christmas, just to be mindful. But the rain exits tonight. Temperatures drop with just 33 degrees. For your Christmas Eve day, 35 degrees. We get that with increasing clouds and some scattered snow showers. Christmas itself, cold and sunny and 30 degrees. And here's a look at your 7-day. Gone are the 50s, the 60s, and certainly the 70s. So it'll start to look and feel like winter again starting tonight. Christine?
Well, you know what? It was nice to have that mild weather this weekend. Get all that last-minute shopping done. You didn't have to lug the heavy
coat. You could leave all of that at home.
It was great.
Hopefully you had a chance to enjoy it.
Okay, Elise, thank you.